friends, welcome back to CAD Design Excellence. So today we are going to make this part with the help of this sketch in Autodesk Inventor. And this is our exercise number 4. And if you are new on the channel, then please subscribe for more tutorials of AutoCAD, SolidWorks, Autodesk Inventor and MicroStation. So let's start. So firstly click on Start 2D Sketch and select a plane. Okay. So first we make this portion and after that this one. Okay, so take a line and draw a sketch. Okay, now dimension. This is 20 millimeter. This one is 60. And this one is 20. Okay, height is 50 from center and this is 40, means 90 millimeter, and this portion is 16 millimeter. Okay, finish sketch, go to extrude. Distance is midpoint and distance is 80. Okay, now we are going to make this fillet. Go to fillet tool, distance is 40, select the edge, this edge and this edge. Now we have to rotate. Oh, sorry, 40, this edge and this edge. Okay, now rotate this portion and this portion. Click OK. Okay, so this portion is complete. Now we have to cut a hole. So select this face and create a sketch. Take a circle and draw a circle on the center. Now dimension. This circle is diameter is 32 millimeter, and finish a sketch. Go to extrude. This time extrude cut and all. Click OK. So our cut extrude is complete. Now we are going to make this portion. Click on this face and create a sketch. Now draw a circle and now dimension. The circle is 80 millimeter and center distance from this portion is 50 and this portion is 40. Okay, this is sketch, extrude, and the height of outer circle is 24 millimeter. Profile and OK. Now we have to make inner circle of 60 diameter. Go to this portion and draw a circle again. Dimension, this is 60. More dimension, 40 and 50. Okay, now go to finish sketch and extrude, and this time extrude cut. Depth of this diameter is 16 millimeter. Okay, now we have to make the inner one. Go to this portion and create a sketch and draw a circle. Now dimension, this dimension is 32 millimeter, and center distance 40. Okay, and this one is 50. Okay, this is sketch, extrude again and extrude cut and through all. Click OK. So our exercise is complete. If you have any doubts, then please comment, and please like, share and subscribe my channel.